Stars to Reality by Richard Wilson, which was put in the year 2000 to celebrate the Millennium. And it's called a Stars to Reality because reality is short. It's meant to represent life is short. It was once a shown treasure, which was in service from the 1970s to 1990s, and it's surrounded by other pieces of art also here to celebrate the Millennium. It's an old shown treasure from the 1970s, which I came here as a child to come and see it. I've never been here as a child and I very much enjoyed it. So back in the 2000s when it was first put here, so a personal connection piece, and personally I don't like it, but it's still got a personal connection to me, so I really do enjoy it.